My name is Malte from the University of Augsburg in Germany.
And I'm Luke Bennetts from the University of Adelaide in Australia. And we are two of the organisers of the 6-month programme on mathematical theory and applications of multiple wave scattering. Now, Malte and I have collaborated for many years, and we both attended a 4-month programme in 2017. It was during this programme that we first started talking about the possibility of organising our own programme.
Yeah, I then attended a 1-month program with one of the other future organisers in the summer of 2019, when the idea of organising this program became concrete and discussions started then. I was really motivated by the observation that multiple wave scattering has many applications, which has caused the research in the field to be fragmented, despite the known commonalities at a fundamental level. So we wanted to create a framework for exchange of state-of-the-art methodologies and ideas by an all-community approach to promote solutions to the current issues facing many applications through the rigorous underpinning of mathematical techniques and the development of efficient computational methods. So at the start, there was 3 of us, and it was clear that we needed to bring in more organisers to broaden the scope we were aiming for. We also aimed to connect with different fields through designated workshop organisers and an advisory panel. Discussions with the then I&I director about theme, scope, program length all happened in 2019, and they really helped us to shape the program proposal.
Having experienced the Newton Institute as program participants, we were keen for a 6-month program from the outset. We knew that program participants get far more out of long-term visits in terms of the research they could achieve, the connections they could make, and the overall experience. As program organisers, the 6-month program gave us more scope to attract the participants we wanted and to run a broad program. We started initial planning in the second half of 2019, mainly around the program and workshop themes. We started writing the application and contacting potential participants at the end of 2019. The application itself was straightforward and really no more effort than it would have been for a shorter program. We submitted the application at the beginning of 2020, received the reviews in July, and the revised application was accepted at the beginning of 2021.
Yeah, so once the program was scheduled, we had a kick-off meeting with all program organisers and the I&I team. They gave us a schedule for the tasks, such as the website, workshop, participants, and so on. There was regular contact with one designated member of the I&I program team, and they were also available via email or video conference whenever we had questions. It was also quite helpful that we were able to visit and look around the space allocated for the program and meet the team in person when we were at an I&I workshop anyway, about 4 months before our program started.
We had an increasing amount of contact with the I&I team over the year building up to the program. They took care of all the administration for the program, such as finding accommodation for the participants. They also take care of support for participants bringing families with them, those from developing countries in need of financial support, and any other special needs. The I&I team make it as easy as possible for organisers to focus on the science. This includes support for us to come to Cambridge and participate in the programme, which is particularly important for those of us, like Malte and myself, travelling from overseas and with families.
We're having a fantastic experience here, and time is really flying. The feedback from participants is consistently excellent. Many who have originally planned to come for only part of the program have sought to extend their stays.
The programme is achieving everything we hope for in terms of connecting researchers from different application areas and different areas of mathematics. It's allowed us to create a close community involving researchers from all over the world, and from PhD students to the most eminent researchers in the field. The 6 months we have had for the programme has made all of this possible.